Living positively, living positive, living positively, living positive.
Sanibonani, siyanamkela kuSiyayinqoba Bhididi. Uhlelo lwabo bonke abahlangabezana futhi banqobe izinselelo zesandulela ngculazi kanye nengculazi. Namhlanje sidingida ukuthi sibatshela kanjani abanye abantu ukuthi siphila negciwane lesandulela ngculazi. Lena akuyona into elula ukuyenza ngoba siyesaba ukuthi labo esibathandayo bangasihlamuka. Kodwa ke njengoba sizobona namhlanje kuyinto enhle kithina kanye nalabo esisondelene nabo ukukhuluma ngesimo sethu sesandulela ngculazi. Samukela ithimba elikhuthazayo. Kulolu daba lwaseMpumalanga Koloni sizobona ukuthi abanye abantu baze baphume kabili emnyameni.
Selusikisiki kulali yakuMalizole sizawuthetha noBongi noThandi abaphila nentsholongwane kaGawulayo nabazi lesbians. Ngicela usichazele ngesitha sakho nangendlela owaba infected ngayo.
Ngiphila nentsholongwane kaGawulayo. Ndaqala ukuzibona uba ngiphila nentsholongwane kaGawulayo ngo-2005. Ndabe sengiqalisa i-ARVs ngo-2005 ngoJuni. Ngeke ndazi uba ndingaba infected kanjani yabo.
Ndiphila nentsholongwane kaGawulayo ndaqala ukuzitesta 2003 because ndarejwa. So zange ndiphinde bendimthanda umuntu ongubhuti okanye asondele ecaleni kwami uba nandimonyanye ebomini bami bonke. So ukuqala kwami ke ndaba yi-lesbian aqoma manthana namanye amantombazana.
Akho nto yantshintshayo mna ukuba ndizentshintshe ndiye kubu-lesbian but bendizenza zoyi-2 but ndingakwazi ukuphuma come out yabo uba ndi-lesbian. But ndaqonda uba okay ngexesha sene-HIV positive abukho omunye ubomi endobe ndibuphile ngcono ndiphume come out. Bandazi abantu okay ndiphila oluhlobo noluhlobo and ndi-HIV positive nje andiyo lesbian kuba ndi-HIV positive.
Ingaba kunjani uba yi-lesbian ku-community ophila kuyo?
Kunzima. Ngathi kunzima uqala uba umuntu ephila ngokuba i-HIV positive ephuma out ngalonto aphinde futhi benzima futhi uba lento ziyi-2 kuemntwini oyi-1 i-HIV positive uyi-lesbian yabo. So kunzima kakhulu ngalonto le because ezona zinto abantu abangazithandiyo yabo. Abasafuna ukutitshwa like ngazo zinto ezo kanye kwenze like into ezinjenge-campaign. Yeah.
Mandithi i-majority yabo ba-against yona. Kodwa apha eLsikisiki ayikabikho laa nto bayenzeke abantu bade bayenzeke kuye baphelele babakhombe kuphela. But kwezinye indawo siyayibona uba iyenzeka abantu baphathwa ngezandla babulawo but ayikho right loo ngoba abantu thina sezi-lesbian yabo basibona ezingathi sesizilwanyana. Yes, asazi uba bathi masihlale phi.
I'm just wondering, Doba, I wonder how they're coping, Ubongi noThandi, especially Gula community, it's a rural community, and the other day we were talking about Abandu Basolega Panang stigma towards HIV. Now that Funega Epume out, Goba sexuality yabo, Doba Baz lesbian, Bapume out, Gelanduga, I just can't imagine. I don't know.
I think the other challenging way by education, or it looks like education is sadly weak, and I don't think it's only Sikisika. I think it's mostly in rural communities like Iboy are Lokshen. I think Rikai really does so many examples, but I think I'm happy that somebody had the courage to do it. Because then another person I have the courage to do it, then it gets better to really start thinking about it.
Ukutshela abanye ngesimo sethu sesandulela ngculazi akulula neze. Kodwa sonke sakwenza. Ungazisoli nangomzuzu. Sizizwa sinamandla, sinempilo ngoba asisaphila impilo yamahloni nemfihlo. Protect yourself, protect others. Kuze kube ngaleso sikhathi. Salani kahle emakhaya. Bye.